Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review two products from Combat. This package includes 18 child-resistant roach kill bait stations. Combat Max 12-month roach killing bait is designed to start killing German roaches and other small roaches in hours. The effective killing lasts for up to 12 months. Formulated with foods that roaches prefer, plus the powerful insecticide, pipernyl, these baits provide quick results and eliminate the source. The Combat Max Defense System brand is designed for complete cockroach extermination and prevention. Combat Max Small Roach Baits and Combat Max Roach Killing Gel is the perfect combination. Use bait stations in common places where roaches appear, and use gel in cracks and crevices where they hide. The Combat Max Defense System brand starts working in hours to exterminate roaches and helps keep infestation under control for up to 6 months. Use all baits. Break baits apart. Place all baits where roaches are found. Do not use in beehives. Do not use sprays around the baits. Sprays contaminate baits and reduce effectiveness. Remove cap. Touch tip to surface and depress plunger. For first application, apply gel in 4 dime-sized spots or several 1/2 to 6 inch strips per square yard. How it works. Roaches enter bait station and eat the bait. Roaches take the bait back to the nest. Roaches share the bait with other roaches, killing other roaches and destroying the nest.